August, and you are writing the exam 2028, let's say April, right? So here, this is the start and that will be then. First of all, for example, until 2026 May, June, sorry, November, 2026 November, this is the time period we cover the syllabus for the very first time. So by next year November, your syllabus will be entirely covered. Okay, maybe before that, October, November. Usually I am covering within a year, but this time, even this year, I am a little bit dragging it a little bit. There's a reason for that. Okay, because of your right? So it is because some of the school the term test. So according to that one, I'm a little bit dragging. But anyhow, by this November, it will be finished. Then what is happening? So here I am giving the theory note. So you collect all the theory notes there. With that, again, every day what you have not today, maybe next week onwards, you have a speed test. Speed test means I am giving like 20 minutes test, very quick test, maybe the MCQ, maybe one question, only the parts that comes I taught the same day. That means if you are doing classification today, I'll give a very small one page classification tune. So at the same time we collect means mark it. So I'm putting the marks to the group. Okay, so your parents, so what are the marks daily, right? So that is daily test, speed test, maybe 20 minutes, very small one, maybe 10 mark one, 50 marks one, in 10 MCQ, something like that. Then during this time period, you are finding school monthly test and the term test. Then we have special programs, maybe online seminars will be there, maybe target sessions will be there, maybe extra sessions, maybe like morning time online session, like that I'll tell you. So we are having targets sessions for these as well. So because most of the time monthly test, same topics are coming for all the schools. And for the term test also, same things are coming for all the school. Maybe here and there some extra topics will be done because some schools are not going in order. They are doing some questions here, then they are doing some lessons from the beginning and they are starting from the end as well. Then a little bit, don't worry about that, okay? Because we are doing a separate course now. We are targeting this main one, not your school term test. Okay, we are targeting the revision note containing all the points. So if you can remember the smart note, that's enough for the exam basically, right? But remember, you can't skip this one. If you done the theory very good, only you can go through the smart note one. Another thing, mostly I am focusing here, questions. Daily you are getting question papers and you are writing here in front of me and I am collecting the papers and marking the papers. Okay, so I am marking, I am giving the marks next day and I am putting to the group, and same day discussion also. That means I am giving you the papers, then you are writing, I am collecting them, I am giving another copy for the discussion same day. So you are then my answers will be written your one and you will be compared with the next day when you get your mark papers. Okay, so each and every one of your data will be recorded, so I can see you are going up or down, no change, so I can make the graph and even show you. Okay, so that's why I say to register to the website, so automatically you can see everything there. Okay, so you are registered to the website, huh? So even you miss any class, all these classes are online also there, recordings are there. If you miss any class or you want to rewatch again and again, you have the access. Okay, so this is very important program. This is where your marks are basically defining here, revision smart note. So now for the 2027 batch, we just started that program. Okay, that's called 1 year program smart note. Then so this one also now theory one, once the theory is finished, now what happened? Again I am doing the theory part here. Okay, so that means theory class is done here. So now when both of these classes are combined to basically to make sure, because you have 3 papers. So maybe the same day we can't write all 3 papers. So sometimes I'm writing 2 papers here, sometimes 1 paper here, sometimes 1 crash course and a paper like that. So I'm combining those 2, right? So we are writing so many papers, at least 150 different papers we write. Then very close to the exam, for example, in December, I am starting mock tests. That means final 10 mock tests are starting. So those are basically real exam papers. That means real exam conditions, the invigilators are there, no copying, nothing. Okay, individually you are writing exact condition, 10 mock tests will be there. That means you are writing biology 10 more times before your real paper. And these exams are really hard. harder than your O-levels basically, because I'm preparing you for the worst case scenario. Okay, so just always think you are getting the hardest paper in the world. That means for the history of, well, you are the one who are getting the hardest paper. Think like that. If you are getting an easy paper, you are happy. If you are actually getting a hard paper, you are preparing. Right? So no worries then. So therefore, these mock tests, if you can score these mock tests very well, your O-level will be super easy. So I'm purposely making it harder. Okay. Then other thing, finally, during this period, for example, let's say starting from, let's take the same period here. I am giving another last minute tute called Brain Booster. Okay, called Brain Booster. That may be, it's a compressed one for entire one topic will be 1 page, like that. Only the words, marking points, only those are there. Very small one. For example, my Brain Booster for entire your syllabus is, I think, 35 pages. That's it. Okay, so you remember that. But the thing is, anyone reading that for the very first time don't know even that is biology. Okay, that's how you have to go through this program. That's the thing. So don't skip. When you are going through very nicely, when you get the Brain Booster, that is the tute you should have before your exam. Basically, you can bring that to the exam hall, not to the hall, to the exam. Then you can read at the last moment, close it, go to the exam. It's a very summarized one, Brain Booster. So you can see 3 times your syllabus will be covered. 3 times. With the theory, revision, and this one. And some seminars also there. We'll discuss that later. So, so 3 times your syllabus will be covered. So there's no any other reason to get low marks.